Ever wondered who builds the bridges you cross or the skyscrapers that touch the sky? It's welders, the unsung heroes of construction and manufacturing. They ensure the safety and durability of our world. Welders are the backbone of infrastructure, creating and maintaining essential structures like pipelines and buildings. Their role is crucial across various industries, ensuring everything stands strong and safe. Welders join metal parts using high heat and precision techniques. They read blueprints, select the right methods, and inspect welds for safety. It's a craft that requires skill and attention to detail. Modern welding isn't just about torches and sparks. It involves advanced technologies like robotic and laser welding. Staying updated with these innovations is key to mastering the craft. Proper training and certification are essential for a successful welding career. At Tom P. Haney Technical College, we offer hands-on experience and industry-standard training to prepare you for the field. Our instructors are certified welding inspectors and have vast experience in the industry. Our students earn a number of certifications through NCCER, the National Center for Construction Education and Research, and AWS, the American Welding Society. These certifications enhance employability, opening doors to higher-paying positions. These nationally recognized credentials validate your skills, making you a competitive candidate in the job market. The demand for skilled welders is growing across multiple sectors. In Florida, entry-level welders earn between $35,000 and $45,000 annually. With experience and certifications, salaries can exceed $80,000. By pursuing a career in welding, you'll secure a stable future with excellent earning potential. Visit Haney.edu to start your journey today. Let's build the world together, one weld at a time.